Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iTunes and your OS are up to date so compatibility issues are removed. This prevents many faults. Back up your device now, because restoring is safer than guessing later. Close unrelated apps and unplug extra USB hubs to rule out power or port conflicts. Once done, launch iTunes as administrator, Windows, or with full permissions on Mac OS. This initial setup removes obvious sources of failure and prepares iTunes to run diagnostics cleanly and access files without permission errors. Next, you diagnose the library and connection. Read any error codes carefully. They tell you where to focus. Then repair the library via File, Library, Organize Library, and choose to consolidate or rebuild so missing files are relinked. Make sure network settings are clean, disable VPNs and temporary firewalls that block Apple services. If syncing fails, test a different USB cable and port. These steps address the complex middle problems: corrupted catalogs, file path issues, and blocked network calls that stop playback or syncing. Finally, you complete the fix by reauthorizing your computer. Sign out and back into your Apple ID, then authorize again so purchases and DRM validate. Test with a single playlist to verify sync and transfers succeed before doing the full library. Make sure device storage shows expected free space. That often blocks syncing. If things still break, recreate the library database and reinstall iTunes cleanly, and then check the iTunes error log for the persistent issue. This final troubleshooting step isolates deep corruption or permission faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.